Parang pineapple yata yung music. Right? Oh, ito, this is the fruit. Let's try one.
Ito kanin.
It's rice cake. Let's try it. Maybe we'll try both. Let's try both.
$2.79.
$15. Why is it $15? Why? Feature. Look at they say all $15 sale. No, what does it say?
Yung outfit tapos $15.
But why?
Ewan ko, baka baliktad siguro ito. Pwede magsalo ng ulan. Kung kailangan mo ng tubig.
Okay, let's have some ramen here.
Tapos may gulay.
Let's have some ramen here.
Magkano?
This one, what is this one?
Yun, $28.
What is this one? Rolled omelet, mainit-init pa. Is this their style?
Ito may kanin na.
This one. Sashimi.
Ito. 23. Ito parang masarap.
Scallop rice ball.
So ngayon, bali mga 29 na rin. May kanin sa ilalim.
Warm up in 1 minute.
Hmm?
This one. Just scallop. Inside.
Tapos kanin.
Yeah.
Binalot ng kanin.
Scallop inside. See? Nice. How much is it for the ball?
It's edible for
I don't know where the price. Oh, $4. Oh, but it's got scallop inside. You want to try?
Yun.
Just warm up and microwave.
Yeah. I'll try one since you're over here. We'll just try it.
Ito rin. Ito rin sa mga dessert. Si ano ito? Wow, ito na. Nakakama. Wow. $31.
This is for making the tawag? Sushi, right? Making
Ito sa sushi. So, mga ano nila, mga kakanin. Ito na Milda yung mga kakanin. Diba? Di ba tayo dito na nung nasa Japan tayo, hindi naman ano to, miso soup.
Try the miso soup. Yan yan, no? Try it.
Miso soup, try.
That one.
Punta lang kami dito para magtikim-tikim. Hmm? Hmm?
Is it good? Did they get?
Di naman dumikit yung gulay.
Which one is this one that you serve? This one? It's this one right here.
Oh, ano yun pala?
So when you heat it up, it comes with the seaweed.
Yeah, seaweed. I like this.
Oh, okay. How many packets is in here? 10. Just hot water? You want? Yeah. You want this or less sodium? Yeah, that's for you. Wow. Okay, you can have that. I'm gonna have it. Ito sa'yo, less sodium. $6.99, there's 10 packs.
Meron ako doon.
Wow, that's good. So that's, you have one already.
Meron ako din galing sa Japan din na dala ko.
Please try.
Kaya meron ako naman nakapakit. Ilagay mo lang sa tasa, buta ng
It's
tubig.
usually $10.99.
Parang ano na siya, yung sabaw.
I'm gonna get one for Ate Lena.
Aray ko. Wala ba yun sa ano, Sacramento? Ito, 119 watts is, ha? Ay, ito yung... Ito yata yung crunchy na ano. Tignan ko dito yung gulay nila ko. Dito ba magbili ng gulay? O meron pa sabi, iba. Ay, mahal dito. Ito bali ang, kung sa Pilipino pa, ito yung seafood city nila. Ito sa Japanese city. Hindi naman, ay, 1,500 pound. So, matamis ito. Ito yata yung inano nila kanina doon.
Green onion. This is $1.79 each.
Isang lutuan lang.
Yeah. Product of Japan. You like the vegetable? Fish is
Hindi ba tayo doon, dadaan pa tayo doon o dito
yeah,
lang?
we can go. No, on the way back we can go to H Mart.
Doon lang tayo.
Just look at yung mga presyo dito. Do you see anything?
Eh, bakit kung ano dito, babalik mo tayo dito?
Look.
$7.99 each.
How much did I pay? $6.99 for two in Costco.
Pareho talaga sila?
Yeah, Hawaiian papaya.
Costco na lang.
May mura, may mahal.
Tingnan ko muna yung okra kung magkano. Siya alam ito $4 to doon. 5.
How much is it?
$5.
Different kind of mushroom.
Ay, madulas yan. Parang yan isang madulas. Ito hartog gataan, no?
Yeah.
Peppers. Ito, yung sili na ano. Hindi maanghang. Sarap yung kataan.
You want the banana chip today, Sid? Yeah.
Ano
Are
bang,
you gonna eat it?
ano bang sabi mo magagata tayo?
Ha?
Ano gusto mong gataan?
Yung ano mo nga, tayo.
Oo. Yung halo. Hipon. Ano ko? Magkano nga ito doon sa ano?
Oh, my truck for you.
Pareho lang. $2.59 each. $2.59.
Snow White. It's on sale. Instead na $3. Two something. Ito yung mga isinakain ko eh.
Ito yung mga dito. Ang paborito ko dito. Yan siya lahat. Walang kurupan. Ay, ini kurupan, no? Uy, magkano? $4. Ito yung sa Bislig, oh.